Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to tell them what we're going to build?
Yeah.
What are we going to build?
Uh-huh.
A what?
A garbage truck.
A garbage truck?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's open
Let's try to get a little more you in there.
it.
Let's open it.
I want to my hand
Okay. What's that?
a garbage truck.
Is it the manual? Ooh. Oh, this is 4 plus. This got big pieces. Alright, pull them all out. Alright. Are there any bags in there?
Yeah.
You get them out?
Yeah, I got the bum out.
You dump them out? Oh, be careful. Alright, dump it out, dump it out. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Go, 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 go. Alright. Alright, 2 bags. That's it? That's it, alright. Alright, sorry about that. Let's try again. We just lost our box. You ready to open it up? You gonna help build the man? I'm wondering if you could do the build. It's 4 plus, so.
Yeah, the build garbage.
A what?
But all your bags.
I'm gonna build a garbage can all by myself.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound good.
Good.
Who are you gonna build? You gonna do the tires? Aiden loves doing the tires.
These are the tires.
Those are the tires. You're right.
Rotate them.
Okay, maybe I can find you the feet too. There you go.
I need
You know.
the tires.
Okay, we're gonna put all the tires to the side. We'll save those for last. Can you build the man for me?
It can.
Awesome. Is there front and back to this piece? It doesn't even look like there's a front or a back. Okay. You put his head on? No, we'll do the rims after. We'll save those for last, okay? That'll be our last piece. And everyone will be so impressed. Right, everybody?
I did it.
You put his belly on? Okay, what about his head? You think you could do that?
Let the garbage truck build.
We're gonna build them. I told you it wasn't built in there. There was just 2 big pieces. Put his head on. You need help? Did you dump him out like a dump truck? Dude. I got you, dog. Does he need his hat? Alright, you ready for the build now? The real build?
Yeah, real build.
Okay, we'll save this one for last. This one's first.
I ate the tires.
Ew! Do you think you put these pieces on the front? Like that?
Yeah. Right now.
Right up here. Way up here, up here, up here.
Right up there.
Yep. Perfect. All the way in the corner. Yep. Oh, you had it. Push it down. Oh no, all the way up. All the way up. Move it up one. Up here.
Oh no.
Yeah. Put the other one next to it, right here. Can you do it? Just. All right, high five.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
That's a garbage truck.
It's a garbage truck.
How did the not button there?
Oh, that'll go on in a little bit. Can you put these pieces across here like this? Like this? No, just the white ones.
White ones.
Yep, just like that.
Mommy, the heat out.
Mama's gonna freak out?
Yeah.
Why?
My house.
At the house?
Yeah.
Come scoot over. Come scoot. Scoot. Scoot your project over. Can you put them right here? See how on the picture?
What's this toolbox?
Oh yeah, that's for later. That's for later. That's for later. Look, see this one? See, look at the picture. Hello. McFly. Bueller. Perfect, dude. Click it in.
Had it
You almost got it. Push on the other side. Push there.
right there.
Yep. You gotta turn it a little bit. I'll help you. It's a little tough. No. You had it. Oh, yeah. Turn it the other way. Ooh, that's the one you don't want. Good job. Oh, that is a tough one to get on there, huh? There we go. Can you do the other one? Right behind, right here?
Right there.
Nope, this side.
Right there.
Up here.
You do it.
Right here.
You do it.
Can you push it down for me? Beeping at me.
Did it.
You did it!
Yeah.
Alright, high five!
Papa garbage truck.
It's almost a garbage truck. Oh wow, you see the red bricks? You think you could do that? Up here like this? Think you can put those ones in like that? No, right up here.
It's there.
No, other way. Turn it. Turn it. No. Don't click it in. No. Like this. You think you put one right here? Right behind it.
Behind it.
Yep, like right here. Almost. There you go. Push. High five. All right, dude.
Do the garbage truck.
That was awesome.
Let the garbage truck now.
It is a garbage truck. We're going to build it, though. Can you put this in the back one right here? It's got no wheels, dude. You're missing a lot of stuff to be calling it a garbage truck.
I have to put the wheels on.
Why don't you build the rims for me?
Build the rims
Yep.
for
You put one of these in each of those. How about that? Sound fun? Push. Hard. You gotta push harder.
And don't know.
Oh. That was nuts.
Why can you do that there?
What's a box down there? You throw the box on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, watch.
Tire down there. The tires in there.
Uh-oh, the tire's in there? That's not good.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I left them in there. He's in there.
Do you think you can put these orange bricks? Oh, shit.
Wait.
Hold on.
Holy moly.
Holy moly.
It is holy moly. I have to push it harder. Me.
You got it?
Almost.
Almost got it? Need some help?
Yeah, I need that. There we go.
Ooh, that's tough. Let's flip it over. Push down on the tire. Got it?
Yeah, I did it.
Wow, that's a tough one, huh?
That was a tough one.
Can you do these pieces up here like this? Just, you see the picture?
Yeah.
See the picture? They're right up front, just like that. Right there. Put it on here. There you go.
And we'll have it.
There you go. Push. Perfect. High five. Uh-oh. High five.
I got that piece.
Can you put that one up there too?
Yeah.
I'll hold it still for you. There you go. Push it. Oh, you had it. Push it. Click it. Get it clicked in.
I will. At the doors. Not
Click it
the
in.
doors.
Oh, that one is a little tough. Thanks for helping. Oh, can you put one on the front too? Put one right here.
This one do.
Okay, I'll do this one. I'll do the tire while you do that.
I can't do it.
Put it right here.
I can't do it.
You can try. Try again. What happened? It's your jersey. It's a tag. It's fine. It's sewn in.
It's my jersey.
Yeah, it's a jersey.
Right.
Say go Dolphins.
The dolphins.
Can you put this up here like this?
Yeah.
Huh? No. not lose tires today, because that would be great. Okay.
The tire's going off. Way in there. The tire's done. The tire's in there. The tire's in there. The tire's in there. Look.
All 4 of them? Wow.
I do-
Whoa, dude.
We're all doing it.
I'm trying to build the truck, homie.
It's the
don't-
dog, the shuttle, and then the dog
Why?
car wash.
In the car wash? That's the car wash?
Yeah.
It doesn't even have wheels on it. How's that?
There's the wheels behind.
This is how I try to build Legos.
I did the
With Aiden. Some days he's better than others.
huh? That's no more. That's the wheels.
His favorite part is when they're done.
That's the wheels.
There's the wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic, dude.
It's done.
Does it look done?
No.
Well then, we should talk about all this. What do you want to do for lunch, dude?
Don't know.
You don't know?
Bye, wheels. Bye. Then done.
The wheels are gone. They're just gone?
I thought you in here.
Are they like MIA or like what's up?
The wheels. The children now. What? Let them go out.
Uh-oh, be careful. Don't want them to get lost. That's a funky little piece. Look at this piece. That's definitely not an old school Lego piece. How many wheels did you put in there?
2.
Try again. Can you count all the wheels? See how many we have? Can you count them all? How high can you count?
There's one over there.
Oh, there's one way over there. How'd that happen? Dun dun dun. This would be like the longest build ever because, yeah. You having fun, dude?
Yeah.
How many did you count the wheels to make sure we had enough? I might just build as much as I thought I was gonna like. 4+ crap. Okay, can you help me build the back part? I need some help. Can you put this on the back? You put that right there?
What's that? What's that?
This is a shovel.
Yeah, do.
It's for the man. So you can pick up the trash. Or it helps him push it around if he needs to.
What's your poop?
You could scoop some poop if he needs to. He has a dog. Here you go. You put that on there for me? Oh, it's still.
At
Wait a
the
minute.
dog.
Other way, other way, other way.
At the dog
Look.
poop.
Yep, dog poop. Just like that. Can you do it?
Dog poop.
Right there. Perfect!
No,
Although I think you
it's
flipped
done.
it around. You flipped it around. It's okay.
The poop.
He's gonna scoop the poop.
The do pop. The puppy.
You're silly.
What's the poop?
Where's the puppy? I don't see a puppy. Do you see a puppy?
No.
No.
What's the wheels in there?
Just wheels.
2.
Some funky pieces. Oh, they fell.
I'm held down.
Something fell down.
Wheels.
You know what time it is?
Yeah.
What time?
The wheels.
Time to put the wheels. Oh, backwards. Flip it around.
Like
Yep. You push. Push.
And then pushing on.
You can try on. Okay, let's try to do this one instead. You gotta line it up. Watch. Look, watch.
Line it up.
Line it up. You're in the right spot.
I like your.
Push it. All
I
right.
like your haircut.
You like my haircut? Can you do this one? Oh, backwards. Scoot it here. Hold it. Put it right there. Got it? Perfect, dude.
I do this one.
Can you do that one now?
Yeah.
Alright, dude. You're doing pretty good at that. Okay, you gotta make sure you're lined up. Push it.
I like your
Push it.
haircut.
You like my haircut? I like your haircut.
Me too.
You too? Okay, you gotta wheel backwards. You gotta get the rim backwards. Here you go. Try again. I'll hold it for you. Ooh, if you have to push it hard, you're in the wrong spot. Uh-oh.
The poop doll.
Vroom, I'm the dump truck man. Garbage truck man. Well, like, garbage trucks should probably have been green instead of orange. At least our garbage cans are green and orange. You want to build a garbage can now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's build the garbage can now. Oh, there's another minifigure. Do you want to build the lady?
Yeah, build the lady.
Okay, you're going to build the lady while I try to build the dumpster. Or maybe you could help with the dumpster. Who knows? What do you think?
I know this. What's this?
Oh, that's some trash. Not real trash, but like fake trash for a dumpster. That makes sense.
I did that.
Oh, can you put her together?
A teacher.
Oh, you caught. Thanks, dude. You're a gentleman and a scholar.
A Cheshire.
Wow, this trash can is full, real full. Carrot, a fish,
A fish.
banana, and
I did
whatever
it.
this green stuff
I did
is.
it.
I have a feeling you put her feet on backwards on me. Does this go in the carrot? I feel like this would be part of the carrot.
I'm do that.
Like, maybe we'll go in.
And then do that.
I could be wrong. You can't do what? Oh, her head's on backwards, that's fine.
It's about what too. There we go. And her hair too.
You got it? Push it all down. Need some help?
Yeah, I need some help. There we go.
Uh-oh, you put her feet on backwards, dude. Little slight repair. There you go. Where's her broom? Can you put her broom in her hand?
You do it.
Me do it? Okay. You gonna sweep?
Yeah.
Okay. Show everybody how to sweep. Sweep, 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 sweep. Do you want to build the dumpster with me?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, no, maybe?
All done.
All done sweeping? Can you put these pieces on here like this? Do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, on the edge, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll hold it for you. You do it. Dude, awesome! High five!
About this.
Alright, we're gonna do the other one too. Oh, turn around. Good job, dude. That's awesome. It's gonna be the dumpster. You did a good job. Can you put these on the ends? Can you put this like a cover like this? Can you put that on top there?
Yeah, I can.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it in there.
Then there.
Push it down, click it in the plate. Oh, dude, awesome. High five. Can you do the other side?
You do it.
I want you to do it.
You do it.
I can't do it. Can you help me?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Okay, please help me. Dude, awesome. Push, push,
I
push.
can't do it either.
You got it. High five.
Look at it.
Awesome, bro.
That's the dumpster.
That is the dumpster. Is that so cool?
And the garbage can now.
Oh, wow. Here's a garbage can full of trash.
And the garbage truck. And the garbage
You
truck.
want the garbage truck. Okay, well, hold on. Uh-oh, Mama texted us. But we're not doing the video, so she's going to have to wait a minute. She's not going to love that. What do you want to do for lunch? Oh, do you think you put the handles on right here?
Oh,
Think you could do that?
And the chocolate.
Yeah,
There's the dough.
right here. No, you have it the right way. Just like that. Can you do it? Can you get it clicked in? Can you click the brick? All the way up top, right here. Just like that. There you go. There you go.
And with the garbage
Oh,
can
high
now.
five, dude.
And with the
I need you to do the handle on the other side too. Here, I got you the garbage truck. So I need you to do the handle real quick. You do the same way.
At the handbag.
Oh, turn around.
You do it.
Goes like this.
The garbage.
Oh, we got the garbage truck? Cool, dude. Should have the things so the dumpster truck will pick it up, but it's not a dumpster truck.
Cash.
Did they just have like random bricks and shit thrown in here? What? Oh my goodness, so much trash.
I want trash. I want trash.
Skateboard for like one peg? Like who's riding on skateboard?
I don't know.
Jay don't know neither.
Banana.
Pieces. That one's mine.
And yes.
That one's extra. You driving the truck? Beep, beep, beep.
Trash.
Oh my god, it took us like 30 minutes to build this thing. Between the two parts. Say hope you liked the video, guys. Tell the camera. Say hope you liked the video.
Hoping he don't